Greetings from Croatia. I have good news. The tire holds pressure, at least for 5 whole minutes after I moved from that side to this. So, Tet route in Croatia will be shorter, about 350 kilometers of great nature, great country, and great people. So let's get started. The route is great, never-ending gravel tracks that winds through hills and forests. However, when you exit the forest, onto the main road, and then into the forest again, there are metal barriers that can be overlooked. It's a good thing that they are yellow. Some of them might be open, some closed, so you need to look ahead. Okay, let's go around this one and continue. Usually, when I arrive at the campsite after dark, I always curse myself that I arrive so late. But when you're riding in the evening with this kind of views, I just cannot hurry. You just look at that amazing sunset. Well, now we really need to get to the campsite. It's almost dark, but I managed to set up the tent with the fading daylight. It's like a park of windmills here, with wonderful view of the sea. The bike is over there. I'm cooking dinner, something like a bean and meat soup. Dinner will be with a good view tonight. All right, see you tomorrow. Good morning. I packed my things early, before the sun got too high in the sky, and I'm ready to go. Yesterday, I made less progress than I wanted. So today, it's 290 kilometers. But if the route will be similar to yesterday's, it'll be plenty fun. Now let's get down from this rocky field and up on track. Okay, there's a small problem. Yesterday, I charged cameras and drone batteries. So today, motorcycle battery is dead. And what makes things worse is that this field slopes down, but it's too rocky to push start the bike. I'll have to push it about 50 meters to the road. Well, this road is certainly not ideal. It's kinda loose gravel, but it's definitely better than that rocky slope. I think I'll be able to spin the rear wheel in the 3rd or 4th gear on a long downhill. Maybe it will work. Let's try it. Yeah, Ducky. I managed to start the engine in 2nd gear. So, we are at the famous airfield in Croatia. Although it is very hot, there is a pleasant cool breeze of freshness and radiation coming from the bunker behind me. We are at an airfield, so there are usually 3 challenges: drag race, stop race, and top speed. I don't have a partner today, so it's only possible to do the 3rd challenge. I'll try the maximum speed of this motorcycle. Hope the police won't stop me. You see, the Bosnian border is very close, so I think it may be not allowed. Rules are simple. Just need to drive straight that way and try to reach the highest speed. By the way, at the very end of this runway, it's Bosnia-Herzegovina. In fact, this airstrip ends in another country. I believe that it's illegal to cross the border like that. I hope they won't chase me with a gun or something. Let's go. I wanted the drone to follow me for this, but it just takes off and immediately lands. I think it's because it's in the no-fly zone. Regardless, I recorded the result with a helmet cam. Also, as everyone who visits this airfield must do, I stuck a baguette sticker on that abandoned airplane. Good news. I checked tire pressure and it didn't change. This means that my new patch on that old polish patch is holding good. Then the right mirror broke off. Thankfully, just for that purpose, I had a piece of duct tape. The mirror is fixed, and I still have another piece for the other mirror. In the meantime, I invite you to continue. So, the Croatian Tet route is complete. Behind me is the border of Bosnia-Herzegovina. In few moments I will cross it and continue on a Tet route there. Summarizing the Croatian Tet route, most of it go through forests, so plenty of shade in the summer sun. In this case, better than some parts of Slovenian route. Also lots of twists and turns and switchbacks and such. However, sometimes there are barriers that usually are bright color, but there were some that are rusty brown, so you have to look out for them. Second thing is, if you like riding in the woods on a gravel track, but don't like rough and jagged terrain, you probably won't like this route, because all the roads in this route are rocky, with loose gravel and some spiky boulders sticking out of the ground. So you just smashing the spine all the time you ride sitting, and it's difficult to ride standing all day. But I did like the route. So until next time, bye.